Are you tired of the old city life or just need a farm experience? Well, come on up to Open Farm Day on September 16th. Now, let's go into the barn and see what we can find.
We got horses! Some moverless cows!
Lots of fresh vegetables at the farm. Fresh carrot.
Hey, we have an egg!
Eggs, all from their original hens. Man, this is going to taste good for breakfast tomorrow morning. Hey, Brittany, how do you like your eggs? Scrambled, fried, or boiled?
Fried.
Well, I'm afraid this egg is going to be scrambled if I hold it any longer, so let's put it back.
Some beautiful
We even got delicious apples. Turkeys! Now, one very important safety tip before you go. Do not touch the electric fences. That would be very wrong. Well, that's it. Run the farm, and don't forget to come out to Open Farm Day on September 16th and see all these things and much, much more.